E3AK series Bluetooth access control keypads. Bluetooth is a much more secure technology to the traditional proximity readers. All keypad settings are transmitted via Bluetooth technology. First, let's see how to download the E3AK app. Scan the QR code in the instruction manual using your smartphone. Or search for the E3AK app on Apple Store or Google Play. Download and open the app. Main page introduction. Enter administrator's account ID or passcode to log in. Administrator account ID cannot be changed. 2 beeps indicate login succeeds. Press open on the phone screen to open the door. Or enter passcode to open the door. Press auto to allow the door to open automatically when you are within Bluetooth range. Now go to settings page. Change device name if several E3AK devices are available. Administrator can add a few users' account IDs and passcodes at one time. User enters account ID and passcode to log in. Two beeps indicate login succeeds. User enters account ID and passcode to log in. Administrator can grant user access for specific dates or time periods. Administrator can activate keypad access function for individual user. For example, give user PAGI permanent access. If E3AK is used at transient hotels, administrator can give user PENI access for 1 month. If E3AK is used at the amusement park, administrator can give user Hang 10 access times. If E3AK is used at workplaces, administrator can limit access times to working hours for user ODI. Two ways to delete users. Slide the user to the left and press delete. Or press the user and then press delete on the right top corner. Administrator enters audit trail page and downloads the latest 1000 records, including user accounts and access dates. Administrator can download backup data from the E3AK keypad to the smartphone. Administrator can only backup data from one keypad at a time if managing a few different keypads. Administrator can restore data to the E3AK keypad. Select Door as the backup and restore device. Select the desired E3AK keypad from the list to program settings when a few E3AK keypads are managed by administrator. Select Door to program the Door E3AK device. Select Office to program the Office E3AK device. Administrator passcode can be changed according to the Bluetooth keypad device. Door sensor function is used to detect if door is closed. Alarm will be activated if door is left open. Lock action include 3 functions: door e-lock time, door always unlocked, door always locked. When tamper sensor is activated, the E3AK keypad sounds an alarm if a device is vandalized. Proximity read range can adjusted between 1 to 20 for auto function. Device time is the time and date for setting the E3AK keypad. To reset the E3AK keypad, reset button. Turn off power, press reset button. Turn on power again. The E3AK will sound one long beep and all settings are reset to factory default settings. E3AK keypad can also be used for garage door application. The long distance sensing feature allows to control the garage door from smartphone.